Hello everyone, nice to meet you. Welcome to our channel. Today, let's talk about a useful object in your home you can live without. Part 2. You should say 1. What it is. 2. How you use it. 3. How often you use it. 4. How it helps you and why you can't live without. Answer.
One indispensable object in my home that I cannot live without is my smartphone. It has become an integral part of my daily life, serving various functions that make it an essential tool for communication, information, and entertainment. My smartphone is a versatile device that allows me to stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues through calls, messages, and social media platforms. It serves as a portable information hub, providing instant access to the internet for news, updates, research, and a wide array of educational resources. On a typical day, I use my smartphone extensively, from checking emails in the morning to navigating through the city using GPS, and from managing my schedule with the calendar, up to capturing memorable moments through the camera. My smartphone is involved in nearly every aspect of my daily routine. Additionally, it serves as an entertainment source during leisure time, offering access to music, movies, and various apps for relaxation and enjoyment. The reason I cannot imagine living without my smartphone is primarily due to its multifunctionality and convenience. It has streamlined and simplified numerous aspects of my life, making tasks more efficient and accessible. Furthermore, the instant connectivity it provides has become an integral part of maintaining relationships and staying informed about the world around me. In conclusion, my smartphone is a crucial and irreplaceable object in my home. Its versatility, daily utility, and role in keeping me connected to the world make it an indispensable tool that greatly enhances the quality and efficiency of my life.
Thank you for watching this video.